In this video, I'll walk you through the keyword settings feature on ConnectSafely.ai. From your dashboard, head to the keyword settings section. Start by selecting the account or company page you want to configure. ConnectSafely.ai uses AI to suggest relevant keywords and titles based on your target audience, or you can enter them manually if you prefer full control. Next, set your date posted filter to target posts within a specific time frame. Then use the post filtering options to fine-tune what gets engaged with. You can individually enable or disable hiring posts, update posts, and article posts. Below that, you can define additional rules to make your targeting even more precise. Now, toggle on auto-commenting to let ConnectSafely.ai engage with matching posts automatically. This is where it gets powerful. The persona section determines your comment style. Choose an existing persona or create a new one from scratch. You can also use the Load Presets feature to instantly apply a pre-built persona that matches your tone and goals. Finally, choose whether to mention the post author in your comment, and optionally restrict engagement to posts with more than 5 likes for higher quality interactions. Hit Save Settings and you're live. Monitor everything in the Keyword Activity section to track performance in real time.